Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So this is live price prediction of Cardano coin, and this time, my friend, you can see here Cardano price were fails down, but don't worry, my friends. Today is something good now, not bad like tomorrow, my friend, and yesterday, my friend. Definitely, I am 100% sure too. Cardano will wake up and moving upward. Not good, my friends, but absolutely also not bad. Let's see, my friend. In this video I will predicate, so hope you are also understand, my friends, to upcoming time can ready this is possible to Cardano price will increase. And I also, my friend, understand, I already understand, my friends, because I already predicate this coin, but I just want to predicate this, my friend, live to you will completely understand better now, my friend. My brothers, a lot of experts says, I think 40 to 50% experts says, my friends, to this time the crypto market is not comfortable, so therefore the some coin were very badly fares down, so Cardano is also one of them. But my friends, 50 to 60% people is not agree with these experts, because they are what they just said, my friends, to crypto market is comfortable. And I just, my friends, for this decision, my friend, I also post now in my channel if you check out. So I think 70 to 80% people says to crypto market is comfortable, so therefore I understand and I finally take this decision, my friend, to crypto market is comfortable. And definitely Cardano were fails down for short time, so this is does not big reason, my friends, of this fails. So hope understand, my friends, try to understand please, to when a coin were fails down, so definitely after that they will take a very huge jump. And absolutely when after a fails when after a huge jump they will fails down, so as you can see like that, so therefore they were fails down and the price will decrease now. So try to understand, my viewers, to if they were fails down, so I'm 100% sure to after this fails they will take a jump. So if I understand, my friends, to after this fails they will take a very huge jump, so therefore my this is my positive prediction. I am 100% sure to upcoming time Cardano price will increasing now. So my prediction is gonna be positive now, and my opinion is for all of you to please hold it now. I hope if you hold, so at the end of month, at the last 10 days of this month, this coin will completely go in the moon now. So therefore I notify you to please don't sell it, hold it and wait for the end of month. I hope they will give you a very good profit, and you will also get a very good profits now, my friend, at the end of month. Kindly, my friends, if you want to this type more price prediction videos, now you will need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.